sa Baltimore, Maryland. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Medyo madilim pa sa labas. Kising ko.
Hello, oh my gosh. Can I go in? Here's your stingray. Oh my gosh, thank you.
You good? This is my vlog. Can you say hi to my vlog?
Good morning. I have a lot.
How are you? Come on, hug me. Hug Kuya RV.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, that's nice. What time are you waking up in the morning?
Usually
Yeah?
5:50.
5:15 a.m.? But now you don't have classes.
Yeah.
You have a morning routine. My cousin.
Hello.
It's not altar. Foods, snacks.
Sushi.
And this is your betta fish.
She looks dead, but she's not. Okay. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 7 months.
7 months already. Oh, do you want to see Ate Myrtle? She's still sleeping. Oh, she's awake already.
We're very excited to see you. Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
This is the one I was talking about.
Yeah, we're gonna have
It's really sour. Will you survive the summer?
I'll survive it for you. Morning, morning.
Nakatulog kayo, ba't ang aga mo nagising? Say hi, Arby.
Hi, Shane.
They look so cute.
This is for you, Turtle.
You say thank you.
Hey. This is Kel's favorite cousin. Is that your hamster?
Yes.
What name is it?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
It's okay.
We have a hamster in
She can't stay still.
Cayman too.
Ay, tinan mo, may taga, ano din eh, may taga suki.
Hello po.
Hello.
Nandito na ako, Tita Mel.
May na,
Si ano mo, si Lola at Lola mo.
Lola, Lolo, ano po? Nandito na po
aba,
ako.
oh. Ganito din, pero gabi lang.
12 hours po.
13 sa inyo, no?
Morning, Daddy, Mommy, ano po?
Ano na, oh. Ano?
Andiyan lang din mo, ang unang anak ng iyong asawa.
Ay nga, ang aming panganay, oh, dumating na. O ba, nakarating din, oh.
Oo.
Anong ulam niyo, me?
Sinigang na isda.
Ko, ay paborito ng dati, ano?
Luto ng sarili niyang tinulang native.
Aba, ako, kasarap noon.
Yun, paborito ko yung Lola.
Ayun, paborito daw ni RB yung native. Maya-maya, oo, pero maya-maya bukas ipapunta.
Pepper.
Bacon.
Nadagdagan ko pa yan. Isa pa.
Nakarating din yan, mga kaiman yan. Oh. Nakarating. Ano po?
Tawag ko na daw.
Teenager pala ako rin. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan rin nahan ni RB, teenager.
Sa sibaran yan.
Oo.
Si Lola pa hindi makaalam ng ating love story.
Ako nagpapadinig kay Papa niya.
Night, Lola. Love you po.
Comment na kami. Parang hindi totoo yan, oh. Hindi nila, no? Aba.
She made it for her. Is it a girl?
Tim Hortons yung... Meron ganun sa Kenya. Sa Kenya may
Opo,
sakit. Yun.
meron na po na.
Yeah. Mabuti kayo meron. Dito sa Baltimore wala niyan.
Wala.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me.
Basta magiging favorite din niya.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah.
Raccoon.
One time a raccoon dug the garbage.
Ang takot. Pinakit sa kanina mo dahil mahilig magkalka ng basura yun. Raccoon? Pinakit sa kanina mo sa video. Takot. Lahat na may red, napunta na namin yan. Ayan, si Rocky tutuntun mo sa Winnipeg. Yan. Yan, sa Alberta. Tinan mo to, Toy. San Francisco. Red na namin yan. Los Angeles. Punta na kami Las Vegas. Yung may red to Texas, San Antonio, Houston.
Ang dami na panay nung napuntahan.
Sa US. Oh, pero hindi pa namin na ano itong medyo gitna.
Quebec, ayan, nakapunta na po siya dun.
Oh, yan. Nakapunta na ka ng Quebec, Martel. Opo. Ayan, kasama namin si Tita Raisa Monon. Drive kami mula Baltimore. Umakyat kami dyan. Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont. At maakyat ng Quebec.
Nag-drive na
Nag-drive
po
kami.
kami. Grabe.
Nag-drive kami. Yan.
Ah, yeah.
Nahiya niya pero galing yan.
Thank you.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah.
Sushi.
Kaso parang grumpy po siya.
Mas maganda nga yan eh.
Grumpy stingray.
Ang gusto niya ngayon, yung may attitude. May mga pink.
Ganito guys yung mga inakit namin sa Cayman.
Pero ito di ba may third party ka?
Third party. Oo.
Sabi ko may third party. Mali. May third eye.
Totoy.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. Baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a race, what a crown, what a time.
Gusto mo tumara dito?
Basta kasama ka.
Toss it in the car, drive away down the highway. I can't stay, 'cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go.
I thought it was a
You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. waste? What a crime, what a time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go.
Ayan, kakatapos na namin kumain. At ngayon ipapunta kami sa
Downtown.
downtown.
Sa bayan ng downtown parang patunaw.
Pakita mo naman yung vibes.
Marley. Talaga sa kita natin ang Marley.
Oo nga, Ninong ah.
Paborito restaurant ko ng English.
This is yours.
This one?
You know why?
What? Oh! It has an engagement ring on it.
And the camera.
Yeah, that's right. Napakaganda talaga dito sa Baltimore. Mahilig ko yun sa bulaklak. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Saan mo nakuha na?
Tinitas ko dun sa backyard din na Ninong.
Thank you.
Ninong, magikero.
Malay ko dyan eh.
Perfect combination.
Baltimore City.
Baltimore City. Oh, secured ba yun? Raman. Ever. Yun yung TikTok niya?
Yes.
Kung nag-practice kayo, pwede na kami TikTok dito.
Oh! Ano po ang tawag dito, Ninong? Inner Harbor. Oh.
Yan o, yung ganyan. Ano na yan, malalim na. Ano na yan?
Ah, ito pong parang edge
Oo,
na to.
itong...
It's so beautiful here. Yung mga ano pa, oh. Ano kayang ibon to?
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Ang ganda po, oh.
Nakatugtog na kami dyan dati. Para
Tumugtog po kayo dyan?
Oo, nagkaroon ako ng banda dito isang beses pero hindi na tagal.
Oh. Kaya, yung ganda eh. Nakakatuwa.
Hindi na nga natin ito makakapit.
No. If you don't need me, just let me know.
Grabe. Dito kami yan sa ano, may submarine, no? USS Torsko.
Sawa ito kahit si ano ko na.
Grabe, sobrang ganda. ganda. Wow.
Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily?
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Nasa Baltimore City. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda.
I-tour mo naman sila. Ito daw yung pinakamasarap.
Motor ko sila.
Ito daw yung pinakamasarap na crop.
Itong Philips. Oh, tapos Hard Rock. Pag daw Biyernes eh, buhay na buhay daw ito. Dito tayo sa kapila. Wow.
But baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Really?
Really.
Bango na, masura.
Don't know who you are, baby, anymore.
Ganda.
This is the lighthouse of Baltimore City.
Where?
There.
Okay, pwede. Teka to tayo. Tayo ka dito. Yan. Kita mo yung ano diretso mo na may mga dilaw?
Opo.
Diyan nagdadak si lolo mo. Doon sa baba niyan. Yung mga anuhan yan yung kuhaan ng gayon.
Nagpunta pa po kayo doon?
Hindi. Nakatayo kami dyan ni lolo mo sa taas. Tapos anak, kita mo yun, tinuro ni lolo mo. Diyan kami nagdadak nung 1990s. Naglalabay dyan.
Grabe, tagal
yan,
na.
yung dilaw na yung tutoy. Yan yung mga kumukuha ng kwan. Ng mga cargos nila. Diyan si lolo. Imagine mo yung tutoy. Tapos ngayon nandito ako.
Paano niya po naalala niya po yun?
Oo, naalala niya. Mayroon ka Domino Sugar sa Cayman? Ayan, tutoy.
Meron?
Ayan, tutoy. Yan ang factory. Domino Sugar.
Domino Sugar? Ito po?
Pag may nakita ka niya sa Cayman, sabihin mo, ano?
Palagi ko ginagamit yung Domino
kita mo?
Sugar.
Ay,
Diba kasi
nagalit.
nagalit na siya sa iyo.
Pati yung McCormick sa spices.
Ay, tanda ko no. McCormick yan. Domino Sugar yan. Yan, kaya nagpupusukal yan. Pusukal yan. Sawa. Yun, mas malapit na. Yan, mas malapit na yan.
Thank you po.
Pwede sana kayo mag-TikTok dito.
Oo nga eh. Mag-TikTok kayo.
Kahit anong sayaw.
Dali. Anong TikTok?
1, 2, 3.
I need you now more than ever.
Basta nila, kahit nasa tuloy.
Nabasa ka na.
Ayun, totoo ganda. Parang 1980s oh.
Ganda. Ay, happy babe.
Parang nag-travel.
Wait lang.
When you go to Bastia next time, you have to try poutine.
We'll try.
Poutine.
Poutine?
Poutine.
What is that?
It's like French fries, but it's French fries with cheese bits and gravy on top. It's only in Canada.
Oh, okay. Parang may halamang gamot na yun.
Ayo, yan na. Yan na yun. Gusto mo. Welcome to Baltimore City. Kaya pala ako kinikindatan mo na eh. Ano yung amoy na yun? Original red velvet.
Red velvet. Per slice is $10. Somewhere $11.50. That
Yay! Thank you. Is this yours?
The Cheesecake Factory.
So, let's go. Uulan na. Uwi na rin kami. Alright. Dito na natin tatapusin tong vlog natin for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo guys. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. See you again next vlog. And God bless. Bye, Dana. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold